Hi, Millie Canado with American Dream TV. Really excited to bring you out here to Little 99 Raceway with Motorsports Education. We're going to learn how to burn some rubber and the art of racecraft. I'm so excited to introduce you guys to Mimi and Jonathan Pinton. He's the founder of Motorsports Education. He brought us out here today so that we could get schooled. Tell me more about what drove your passion to start this organization.
I really love racing. So I've been passionate about racing since the first time I got to try a go-kart when I was 14 years old. I had to get an extra paper out and save up half my money, and my dad matched the $850 that I saved in 1993. And we went out and bought the cheapest go-kart we could find, which ended up being a Track Magic racing kart. At my first race, the owner of Track Magic walked up to me. I was fortunate enough to drive from the back to third at my first race, and I was hooked ever since. I raised my kids at the racetrack and ran into the same wall. So there came a point where I said, well, what can I do to make a difference? And how can I get more people out and experience this amazing sport? Came up with Motorsports Education. So it's a nonprofit organization that is listed with the IRS. So we're a 501c3, and any donation that's made to keep this going is tax deductible.
Nice.
And what we're hoping to do in 2024 and beyond is grow this. We've got an amazing setup here that we put together with the help of some really great people to get us started. We're in the startup phase. We're hoping to bring it to the next level so we can host events here at Little 99 in Stockton.
Nice.
And we're looking forward to doing some events here next year, and hopefully some Racecraft Academy races for those that keep coming back and are advancing. And in the future, we want to take this organization to a city near you. So we're hoping to go to different cities around the Bay Area and eventually all across the country.
Well, I love that you're providing an opportunity for everyone to get an experience in racing.
The youth and underprivileged is the primary focus. However, anyone that's interested in motorsports like yourself is welcome to come out and participate in our program.
That's what I'm really excited for, because it is something that, after school hours are some of those most integral, or weekends and things, and so it's important that we have other options for them to go out and experience and get to know what they really like in the world. And so this is such a fascinating experience. I'm grateful for you.
Exactly. There's so many different aspects of motorsports. That's why when I thought of motorsports education, I thought, well, if you don't want to be a driver, you can be part of the artistic side, which is designing graphics for the race cars, the mechanical side, how to tune them up and service and maintenance them. Then, of course, there's my favorite part, which is the driving.
The racing, yeah. Well, it's definitely a culture of great people. Every time I went out to the racetrack, I've had a great time. So it's cool to be able to open that opportunity to more. Thank you so much for allowing us to be part of this. I think it's just, like I said, I'm hooked. I'm ready. You got to watch out for me. I'm going to try to take your title. Awesome. Well, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, definitely.
What do you do with your motor stalls? We'll put our hand up and we wave it like this until someone comes to get us. Okay, and we stay in our go-kart. If you spin out today, stay in your go-kart. There'll be people watching, waving the yellow flag, and we'll come out and get you. We'll push you in a safe spot. We'll make sure you're okay, start it back up, and you go again.
Well, that was an adventure. I just got schooled by Motorsports Education, and it was such an experience that I encourage all of you to come out. Until next time, burn some rubber. I'm Millie Canada with American Dream TV. Own your dreams. That's a wrap.